Hello, artist, and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. To celebrate all of the beautiful works of art you might see this time of year, I am going to make a snow globe. To get started, I find paper, a circle tracer, a pencil, and then some drawing supplies for later. Lastly, I may use some glue and glitter to make my snow globe look extra real. I'll begin by tracing the circle and adding a trapezoid with a thin rectangle underneath. Remember to use tools and strategies you know to find the best solution. Use your eraser when you need to, and use a ruler or another straight edge to help you with straight and perfect lines. Follow as I complete these steps. Once you have your snow globe all drawn, outlined, and ready, you can begin drawing inside of the circle. The circle is the globe of your snow globe, and in there you can draw anything you want. Recently, I have been feeling like drawing a mountain, and this really felt like the perfect opportunity. Enjoy as I continue to work on my illustration. As you work on your illustration, remember to use a variety of colors and art materials. This will create contrast in your work. Contrast is when things stand out from one another, like these cool colored mountains against a warm colored sky. In a second, you'll see how I use crayons to stand out against a colored pencil. Contrast is really important in any work of art. Once my snow globe is drawn, colored, and detailed, I can cut it out, recycle my scraps, and begin adding glitter. I know that's the step you've all been waiting for. Once you get your glue bottle working, you can begin adding glue where you'd like to add glitter. It can be really easy to be heavy-handed when adding glitter. Remember, not all that glitters is gold, and take only what you need. A small amount of glue is perfect for this project. If you use too much, that'll just be wasteful. Add some glue across your picture, maybe around the outside, a couple dots here and there. And once you're done with your glue, you can set the glue bottle away and begin adding your glitter. Use a container like I am to sprinkle your glitter onto your artwork. This way we can collect all the glitter that does not attach to the glue. If we didn't do this, we'd have glitter all over the place. For example, you can see how glitter even managed to end up in my coffee while I was doing this project. Glitter is a messy art supply, so let's use a container to help keep it in one spot. With that all complete, set your masterpiece somewhere to dry and enjoy some time feeling proud of what you've made. Happy making, artists, enjoy.